Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to use a cushion. How to use a cushion. You may have heard or seen of a cushion before, possibly in the movies, but for those of you that haven't, this is what one looks like. As you can see, it is a non-spherical shaped object with some important features to note. Firstly, it has some very sharp edges at the corners. There's one here. There's one here. There's one here. There's one here. And there's one here. The reason for these sharp edges is that the cushion can be used as a weapon. For example, if an intruder tries to attack you, you'll very easily be able to fight off the attacker by using the cushion, and the attacker may receive deep flesh wounds should they get struck by the edges of the cushion. So please remember to only use the cushion in self-defense. If you look at the top of the cushion, like this, you'll see this pattern design. Now, this is used to disorientate your attackers, and I'll just show you how it works. Just spin it round, just like this. You can see, you're probably getting disorientated right now as we speak. While the attacker is disorientated, you can then use the cushion as a battering ram, and it should knock them unconscious. One thing to note is that, just like the edges here, this pattern side is very sharp to the touch, so you're going to need... Ow! My finger skin. If you turn the cushion over, then you'll see this pink side. This is what you should be using to grab and hold the cushion with. For those of you that have bad memories, then I would certainly recommend wearing military grade gloves when dealing with a cushion like this, and then you won't have to worry about accidentally touching this pattern side. And in hindsight, I should be wearing gloves because I'm exposed to the danger as we speak, but I should be okay for the time being, provided that I don't touch this side. So we have discovered that the cushion can be used to cause mass destruction to those people who get on the wrong side of it, but it also has another use as well. You can also rest body parts on it. Ow! My backhand! I forgot to use this side. So very carefully pick up the cushion, just like this, and place it on the bed with the spiky end facing away from you. Just like that. Then just rest your forehead on the cushion, just like this. It should feel very comfortable to you. If, for some reason, it doesn't feel that comfortable, then all you'll have to do is to readjust your forehead on the cushion. Just like this. This is really good. After many years of discovery, I have also found that you can use other body parts as well to rest on the cushion. I like to rest my elbow on the cushion as well. So you could rest it like that if you wish. That's also a good one. Or how about resting your knee on the cushion? This is extremely comfortable. And that completes the tutorial on how to use a cushion. Please remember that this is not the only cushion that is available on the market for you to purchase. You can also buy less advanced cushions, just like this one here. This cushion is for amateurs. As you can see, this cushion is soft on both sides, so you face a lot less danger than the other cushion that I showed. If you're just getting into cushions, then I would recommend using this cushion as a starting cushion and then work your way up to the more advanced cushions as you progress. I consider myself more of an advanced cushion user, so I'm going to go now and practice resting on the cushion a little more. So I'll catch you all later. Goodbye everybody. Picking up the cushion, placing the cushion, I'm going to try sitting on the cushion this time around. Ow! My buttocks! I forgot, I've got the spiky end this side. Let's get it off now, I don't like this anymore. I think I'll just sit on the bed without the cushion.